Reflection Guides. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mrs. Zareen of grade 9 MS Creative School Muradnagar Girls. Today I am here to present my science fair project titled Ray Reflected Plant Growth. In urban cities, due to the tall buildings, plants usually cannot get direct sunlight. So for that problem, I have a bright solution. We can use reflected sunlight to give the plants sunlight. So how I observed my project was, one sunny morning, while walking through the narrow lanes of my city, I noticed a small plant struggling to grow in the shadow of a tall building. Its leaves were pale and it seemed weak compared to other plants bathed in sunlight. This made me wonder, could plants in shaded areas survive if they receive sunlight in a different way? I observed that even though the sunlight was blocked directly, some of the rays bounced off nearby walls and windows. I thought if we could guide more of these rays towards the plant, maybe it could grow better. This is when the idea of using reflectors came to me. By placing mirrors or reflective sheets at certain angles, sunlight could be redirected to the plants. Over the next few days, I tried different reflector positions and observed that leaves became greener and stronger. The materials I took for doing the experiment are solar panel, battery, two potted plants named as Group A and Group B, water and etc. The procedure I follow to do this project is, first select shaded areas such as a balcony or between buildings where plants usually cannot get direct sunlight. Use aluminum sheets or mirrors as reflectors and place it on the rooftop or terrace of the building. Place the reflectors to cover the plants with as much as reflected light as possible. Prepare two plants with soil and compost. Divide them into two groups. Group A under the shade with exposure to no sunlight. Group B under the shade with exposure to reflected sunlight. Measure and observe weekly over a period of 2 weeks and compare the growth of plants receiving direct sunlight with plants receiving reflected sunlight. This is the data that I have collected, and from this table we can from this table we can compare the growth of plants receiving no sunlight with the plants receiving reflected sunlight via reflector. In the group A, the plants showed significant improvement compared to group B.